welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi. And today we're going to be unboxing the Blazer Low and Sacai collab in the British Tan colorway. So let's get to it. So here's the box, and this is a weird box. I've never had one like this. It's not like the taped one, so I have to really do all this. I've never seen it like this before, but yes. Okay, so this is new. It's a pretty small box, but upon opening it, we get the sizing. Okay, so upon looking at the box, we have the Nike logo on top in like a gloss, so it's kind of hard to see. But on the sides, we have Nike because it continues it on the other side. So if you can't tell, it's Nike. And it continues it, and then on the bottom we just have our, logos and trademark stuff. And on the front we have our sizing. So I got it in a size 9, or else I won't be able to do it on feet. My bad. And so let's see how they look. So let's open it. I don't know. This is new. I've never seen packaging like this. Okay, so we have our first look of the shoe. Whoa, this thing is kind of funky looking, I can't even lie. Okay, so there's an extra set of laces in white, even though it's already double laced on the shoe itself with the brown and the red. But let me take out the other pair. So it says Nike Sacai as your wrapping paper. So I think that's a pretty cool little thought into putting into this shoe. Here's the pair. I'll be honest, it's a pretty ugly shoe. For me at least. Maybe for some of you it's a cool little alternative. These have a double tongue. That's like their signature thing, I guess, for Sacai. They have double of everything, so double the swoosh, double the lace, and then double the tongue. One's in red and one's in brown. Bottom still your classic blazer sole, and then on the inside it says Nike Sacai. Can barely tell. And these are the exposed foam liners, because if you can't tell, they cut it and then they just left the foam exposed for the tongues and the ankle collar, you can say. It has some leather upper with some suede, and that's pretty much it on the shoe. And the front brown tongue has Nike sportswear, says made in Vietnam, and then the red tongue has Nike Sacai, so it shows both brands. And that's pretty much it, nothing else. Let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Okay, so that wraps up the video on these blazer lows. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop. But I have another announcement. Well, reminder. There will be a giveaway at 150 subscribers, because I said that in the previous video, but previous video was only like 30 views, so it's kind of sad. But yeah, I will be doing a giveaway at 150 subscribers, and I still don't know what I'm giving away. It might be a pair of shoes, it might be a shirt. It's not just any kind of shirt. It's probably like a Cactus Jack shirt or a Supreme shirt. So once we're closer to 150, I'll let you guys know in another shoe video on how to enter and all the information you can get from what the giveaway will be, what the item will be. And yeah, basically that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are enjoying your day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.